This is what we are going to be expecting right for the day once the market opens on our odd USD. So first and first, if you are yet to subscribe and you haven't done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, take a look at this our trend right here. This is our current trend on AUDUSD, and as you can see on our AUDUSD, we are ranging. Now, market was able to rally up to tap our resistance level. Then we had that rejection that made it to drop back to our support. Market then was able to rally up to come back to our resistance, and then we had that rejection that made it to drop to our support. Right now, market eventually find its way to come back to our resistance, and we will be expecting a rejection from this level that will make market to drop to our support. So whatever you would want to be doing on your odd USD, you would want to be selling because odd USD is going to be giving us a bearish move. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So what we should be looking out for right now on your odd USD is a sell setup. This is what we should be looking out for right now. We should be looking out for a sell setup on our odd USD. Once odd USD give us the sell setup, then we can go ahead and take the sell right on our odd USD. Now, if in case there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.